Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to see someone's recently followers on Instagram. For that we need to go to Instagram account, and here we need to click on here we see the down upside of the right before the message it has the like button. Click on that, and here we will see I got this much of request recently. I got almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I got almost 7 requests recently, and 2 days ago I got a like from Instagram account, and recently followed 2 days ago Sanju Nayak, and recently followed 2 days ago Gayatri. And if you scroll it almost 10 weeks ago, I got a comment like on like, and 10 weeks ago someone followed me. Like that we can see recently followed 12 weeks ago I got some follower started following to you. Like that I got some. So like this you can see who followed recently on your Instagram account.